In this video, we are going to continue our discussion about ratios, and we're going to talk about this in terms of measurements. So let's go through some samples here. All right, so for this, we are going to be using what are called conversion factors, meaning going from one unit to another. For instance, some common conversion factors would be like 1 foot equals 12 inches or 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Those are all conversion factors that we hear every day. So I have a list of conversion factors here over on the side, and you guys will always have access to this. You do not need to memorize these. So let's think about how many quarts are in 20 gallons. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to look at my conversion chart, and I see that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Because remember, as you can see in the top, we're dealing with quarts and gallons. But I don't have 1 gallon, I have 20 gallons. So we want to know how many quarts, ? Are in 20 gallons. Since 1 gallon is 4 quarts, to go from 1 gallon to 20 gallons, we're going to multiply by 20. 4 quarts times 20 is 80 gallons. Sorry, 80 quarts. 80 quarts. So we would say there are 80 quarts in 20 gallons. And GAL is an abbreviation for gallon. Again, looking at our conversion chart here, I know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. 1 gallon times 20 would be 20 gallons because that's what we're trying to go to. 4 quarts times 20 would be 80 quarts. All right, now let's take a look at this. How many ounces are in 12 pounds? So I'm going to look at my conversion chart here, and what I see is that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. OZ is the abbreviation for ounces. How many ounces are in 12 pounds? So 1 pound is 16 ounces. We want to go to 12. And then LB is the abbreviation for pounds. Don't ask me why. I know it doesn't really make sense, but that's the abbreviation. 1 pound times 12, because we're going from 1 to 12, would be 12 pounds. 16 times 12 . 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 1 is 1, 2, 9, 1 would be 192 ounces. So we would say 192 ounces is equal to 12 pounds. All right, let's keep going. How many pints are in 20 cups? So we need to look at our conversion chart here, and I see that 1 pint equals 2 cups. But we do not have 2 cups, we have 20 cups. So we want to go from 2 cups to 20 cups. And I'm going to do that by multiplying by 10. 2 times 10 would bring us 20 cups. 1 pint times 10 would bring us to 10 pints. So we would say there are 10 pints in 20 cups. Again, because 1 pint is 2 cups, multiply that by 10 to get to 20 cups because 2 times 10 is 20. And then 1 pint times 10 would be 10 pints. So there are 10 pints in 20 cups. All right, let's continue. How many yards are in 48 feet? Okay, so here is the deal with this. They expect that this is common knowledge. This is not on your conversion chart, but hopefully we all know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 1 yard, YD is the abbreviation for yard, is equal to 3 feet, and we want to go to 48 feet. 3 times 16 is 48. 1 times 16 would be 16 yards. Again, so we go from 3 feet to 48 feet by multiplying by 16. 1 yard times 16 is 16 yards. So 48 feet is equal to 16 yards. Again, and you guys just kind of have to start remembering that that 1 yard equals 3 feet. They are expecting that that is common knowledge. All right, last sample. How many gallons are in 96 quarts? So we already have here that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. QT is the abbreviation for quarts. GAL or gal is the abbreviation for gallon. Now we want to go from 4 quarts to 96 quarts. So I know that this is going to be quite a large number. I know that 4 times 20 is 80. And then so I would keep going. 4 times 21 would be 84. 4 times 22 would be 88. 4 times 23 would be 92. And then 4 times 24 would bring us to 96. So 1 gallon times 24 would be 24 gallons. So there are 24 gallons in 96 quarts. And that is going to do it for now. We will go over this, so hold your, if you have questions, just hold off on them, and we will get those answered soon. All right, bye guys.